As you know, while the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government was in power, the central government gave in principle clearance to Karnataka, who was the upper riparian state, to divert water from the Mahadayi river. At that time, Mr. Parrikar was the chief minister. He led an all-party delegation to Delhi and convinced the Prime Minister, Mr. Vajpayee, that this cannot happen. Mr. Vajpayee put that on hold. Goa then went to the Interstate Water Dispute Tribunal. The case took about 5 years. The state was represented very ably at the tribunal, and Karnataka lost. Karnataka could only get a paltry 7.5 TMC of water diverted, that too after the award became notified. This was the situation. Mr. Parrikar died. Mr. Sawant, upon becoming chief minister, immediately they notified this award, and Karnataka started getting water much more than what they were supposed to. This happened. Karnataka senior leaders also came to Delhi and said, we have done a deal with Mr. Sawant, there is no problem. In the state assembly, there was a big hue and cry, and they said, how could the Goa government give an NOC when a SLP is pending before the Supreme Court? Karnataka had lost, they had filed an SLP, that SLP was pending, how can you notify the award? Do you know what the Goa government said? Mr. Sawant came on record to say that the lawyers did this without asking the government. The then AOR and the senior counsel, Mr. Arvind Datar, had a press conference and said, Goa officials told us to give us the NOC to Karnataka. Since then, most of the water in the basin has been diverted to Karnataka. In spite of winning, this is a case which has burnt Goa. Today, there is a problem with Mahadayi, and the people of Goa are not getting their due share. Karnataka has lost. But because of doing a deal with Mr. Sawant, this is the situation.